Yo, what is up guys? Wow Media here, and in today's video, as you guys see from the thumbnail and title, we are going to be lowering Kuromi. So let's get started. So we are going to be starting with the front suspension. I'm going to raise it up on the jacks, and then I am going to be taking the front shocks off, putting the new coilovers on. We got some BFO coilovers, as you guys can see right here on screen. That's what the coilovers look like. Beautiful looking. And we're going to take the fender liner out and roll the fenders as well. So let's get started. As y'all can see, we've got this side all jacked up and ready to go. So we just got to take the wheels off and then take the fender liner out. We're going to put the coilovers on, and once they're on, then we'll go ahead and roll the fenders. So let's get started.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates, and they say communication save relations. Okay, medicate.
And now, as y'all can see, we have got the front wheel off, the rear wheel off. Now we're going to be tackling we're going to be tackling the front suspension, just because I'd rather focus on that. But first, I'm going to be taking the fender liner out of this bad boy. So taking these few bolts out, getting rid of this so we can go extra low in this thing. So let's get started.
How I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way, cause I can see it on your face. I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I could tell by your eyes you got something to hide. So open your mind up, let me inside, and let's make it right. Tell me, baby, what's the problem? I could try to figure it out.
So as y'all can see, we've got the fender liner all taken out of this thing. Now we're going to focus on taking the actual suspension piece off, which is a bolt and nut on the bottom. And then we've got our two nuts on top, and it should drop right out. So let's get started.
Oh no, tell me baby, what's the problem? I'm only picking up what you're putting down. You'll be tripping, I don't know what about. So what's the problem right now? Okay, now hold up, let me get something.
And now, as you guys can see, we got the front shock off after a huge mess. I just did that off camera just because of how much of a buzz to get off. But now we've got our new coilover next to us, and we're going to install it onto the car now. So let's get started.
Off my chest, I've been meaning to read into it, time to put it to rest. Is it stress? Is it that I ain't answer your text? Don't you treat it like amnesia, you know I always forget. Stirring the pot real hot, watch how the plot thickens. Around the clock, tick tock, need more than 20 seconds to get your attention before it's on to the next thing. And I'm over here again wondering, can I hold you, hear your truth, pull you close?
As you can see, now we've got the front shock on, and all tightened up above, all tightened up down below. So now we're going to move to the rears. And now that we're at the rears, it should be the same process as the fronts. It should be two nuts on top and one bolt on the bottom. And we're just going to head straight into it.
Talk it through.
Girl, you know that I'm the one that you can come and complain to. Your silhouette's amazing, but your brain is a maze too.
So can you help me find my way while I find something to say?
I know the arguing just augments everything going both ways, but baby, I can see it on your face.
I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I can tell by your eyes you got something to hide. So open your mind up, let me inside, and let's make it right. Tell me, baby, what's the problem?
And now, as you can see, we've got the passenger side done. They're definitely lower than before. As you guys can see, I'll walk over to the other side right now, so you can see how much taller the rears and the fronts aren't.
The blades like chop, no running for a big